How's it going? Welcome back to Our Gold Road. So we're back in the Airstream. It is another Airstream party, and this week we're going to be shampooing the carpet that's underneath the driver's seat and the passenger seat. We left that in. That's the only carpet we left in the trailer. And then we're going to be installing the trim around the flooring that we just installed. And then we're finally going to get the furniture put back into the motorhome and have the motorhome back in order. So we're excited about that. Now let's get started on the projects. So we recently hit our 500 subscriber mark, and we want to thank everybody who's already subscribed. And our new goal is 1,000 subscribers. So we need your help. Click right now, subscribe to our channel. You'll get more DIY projects on vintage trailers like this, as well as our kid-friendly road ventures. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's go check out these projects. So after driving to 3 different locations, I finally got the shampooer that we're going to use to clean the carpet that we left in the trailer that's in the front by the driver's seat. So now it's time to fill this puppy up. So this definitely isn't supposed to be happening. I don't know where all this water is coming from. Thanks, Rogue Doctor Pro. So that was definitely my mistake. I didn't have the water hose connected right. I had the bottom hose connected, didn't have the hand tool hose connected, so therefore I was spitting water out at the bottom and sucking through the back of the hose, so my mistake. Alright, so now we're going to do round 2 and see if we got this right. Cross your fingers we don't flood the trailer again. Okay, that works much better. Now I'm going to let Donna get on this while I start on the trim. Hey babe, you ready to vacuum?
Yes. Oh, and I like that we're trying this with the AC on, because then we can see like if it's really that loud.
It's gonna be that loud, but I can't. My wife won't work out here without it, so.
Okay, cool. Together, like.
No, but wait till you have to get down in there.
Can't I just, I'll do the back half because it's more, and then you do the front half because it's less.
Yeah, but it's more bendy. You're the one that does yoga.
No, my arm hurts. No, but look, no, this is not, it takes too long.
Okay, you do trim, I'll do carpet.
I would think that since the fact that I've rented this twice before, that I would know how to use one of these, right?
Yeah, you think.
Except that I've been doing it wrong every time I've rented a rug doctor. You know, no one gives you lessons on this. How many people have actually used these things, right? So I was cleaning it, and you know, like a vacuum, you know, you just kind of like, I thought that this is how you do it. This is, you just go over it and it cleans it. But it wasn't really getting anything done. And then I noticed, oh, hey, look, there's this like brush down here. And so I thought, oh, it's like whenever you're cleaning floors, like, you know, you spill, I don't know, grape juice on the floor, and you gotta like scrub it out. So you turn the machine on, you squeeze this thing, which puts the soap out, and then you sit there and you scrub to get the stain out, and then you have to go back over. You let go of this handle, and it's just vacuuming at you just kind of suck up. I mean, it's not turned on right now. You suck up all that soap you put down, and the stains come up. So I've been doing this like once over, like, yeah, we'll just make sure we go once over, you know, like a vacuum, right? You make your stripes in the floor like you do in your lawn. And no.
So what you're saying is scrub.
Could not for the life of me figure out how to get these stains up, and so it takes scrubbing.
I mean, with shadows, it still looks dirty over there. But
Glamorous, y'all. It's glamorous.
it's good. It's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I saved a square to demonstrate how to do it. You want to see how I do it?
Donna is done shampooing the carpet. It looks way better, but now it's my turn to install the trim. So I had to install this cabinet first behind the passenger seat because the trim's not gonna go behind the cabinet, it's gonna go around the cabinet. So to get proper measurements, I had to get this cabinet installed first. So that's the first piece of furniture we got installed. So that's good. Now we're gonna do the trim so we can get the rest of the furniture installed. So let's get started. Trim done around the kitchen. So here's the trim we did in the back bedroom. We decided to do white on the walls and wood against the bed. We just thought it would look a lot better. I think it turned out pretty well. So in here, we're gonna check out the bathroom. So yesterday when I was installing floors, I didn't get a lot of recording done because I was in a rush for time. I was trying to beat the sun from going down, losing my light, so I was just pushing through, trying to get the project done in one day so I didn't have to pull all my equipment out again. But I want to give you a little tips on cutting your inside and outside corners on your trim. So when you're cutting the outside corners, which will ultimately end up looking like this, you want to cut it to where this point at the edge of your wall, edge of your outside wall, this point here will be on the edge of your outside wall, not this point. So it's going to come away from the outside wall. So it ultimately comes together like that for your outside wall. Now when you're doing an inside corner, you kind of want to do it the opposite way. You're going to measure it to where this point goes to the corner of your wall. That way when you put it together, it's gonna look like this on your inside point. And we'll just go ahead and use this point as an example because I have both an inside and an outside corner. So if you see here, like I mentioned, your outside corners come to the point on the outside, right? And then on your inside corners, of course, your points go towards the inside. It's pretty simple. All right, so this is the part I've been waiting for. We're finally gonna reinstall the furniture and put the motorhome back together. It's been all up in my garage, it's been in my mother-in-law's house, and now we're finally gonna put the furniture back in the Airstream. So let's get to it. So to reinstall the captain's chair, we actually have to do it from the inside and the outside. It's gonna be a two-person job. This will probably be Donna's workspace for the day. She really likes hanging out in the sun and doing work. But we have to get under here to tighten the bolts. And for the sleeper sofa, we have to get under here to install the bolts for the sleeper sofa, or at least one. We have one bolt that goes under here for the sleeper sofa. Once again, this will be Donna's job. Let's go see if she's ready to go.
Okay, so I tried to make it to where you're not out there for very long. Are you ready to go?
Yeah. This one. Except that I'm looking at trailers.
Yeah, but we have a trailer to work on.
I know, but this guy says that he has 5 trailers that we could go see, and it's in Cleburne.
Okay, let's go.
To Cleburne?
I'm always down for driving. Cleburne's not that far.
Cleburne's not that far. Or did you want to look at the pictures before we... Do you want me to work on the trailer or go get a 4th trailer? We could be getting a 4th, 5th, and 6th trailer.
Could be. So I have you all set up down here. You want to look in there. I have a vice grip for you.
Oh.
What?
I thought we were doing like the easy part of like putting in the sofa. I didn't realize it. Are there any wasp fun in there? Because last time...
I just went in there. I told you I have it all set up for you. So, it's all set up.
Did you show them that dowel setup that you have right there on crumpled brown paper?
That paper is
super sturdy.
painted on there.
Painted.
Anyways, Can we get down here and get focused? So down here, you look. There's a little vice grip back there. All you gotta do is hold it. Do you know how to release the vice grip?
Yeah, sure. I mean, I used to know. I can figure it out. I haven't used it in a long time. Yeah, the button's on the inside, right?
Where I come and help you.
The button's on the inside.
It's already clamped hard, so just
I just gotta hold it
right now.
Okay, let's hurry because it's hot.
All right, you ready?
I mean, I guess so. You're not doing anything. Are we gonna do this like a tire?
What does that mean?
Like we do the opposite corners and then we do, you know what I mean?
We can. I don't think it really matters, but okay.
Okay, hold on, let me figure out how to release it. I think that there's a button I'm supposed to push that I don't know where it's at. Hold on, oh, I got it. Look, let me figure it out, okay? I just clamp it on there, right?
Yeah, so you clamp it a lot.
I don't think I'm clamping it right. I got it!
There you go. Alright, now hold it.
Hold on, yeah, you go do your thing. I'm doing my thing. Okay, maybe you should just tell me when you want me to hold it.
Okay, hold it.
Are you gonna tighten it?
Hold on, I don't know if this is right, this washer here.
Oh, you don't? You want me to not hold it?
Am I listening? So we're super excited. All the furniture is back in. Flooring is all done. Carpet is all clean, or what is left of carpet is all clean. But check this out. We have our captain's chair back in place. Have our sleeper sofa back in place. Got our dinette table back in place. I think it's looking pretty good. With all the white cabinets and Donna's artwork in the kitchen. Really think this trailer's coming together really nicely. We're almost done. Got the kitchen sink back in. Now all we have to do is come back here and we're gonna put these curtains on. Get these curtains installed and get the lights fixed on the side. We even have the bathroom done. Look at that. So how do you think it looks so far? Leave a comment below, let us know, or you can leave a comment and tell us something you might have done different or something that we can still add, that something might make it look better. We're always looking for ideas. So leave a comment below, let us know what you think. What up, Wonder Woman? What are you doing? Oh, Bubbles. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you click right now, you can check out our last video where we installed the vinyl flooring if you haven't seen that already. Again, thanks for joining us at Our Gold Road, and we'll see you next time.